Okay, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how you can make money by posting and answering questions. And you want to go to a site called Quora.com, and you want to log in. You put the login and it's free. Quora, it's free. So what you want to do is, it depends what you want to do. If you want to build a list, or if you want to make one offer, a direct offer, then make a sale, or if you want to build a list and make money in the back end over and over again. So here I'm gonna send a direct offer. So here you can go search for how to make money online. So this site is where a lot of people come in and they're asking questions and they're looking for answers, and you can be the one who do the answers for them, and then they're gonna go check what it's all about and they're gonna go click into your link. So let's search about how to make money online. So into the search bar, you enter the question, you here answer question, you gotta go there first, and here into the search bar you need to add your keywords, how to make money online. And you will see there's a lot of results coming in, and you can see how many people follow here, 7,000 and more. You can see there's a lot of people who are here. So what you can do is hit the first one, what's the easiest way to make money online, and you will see there's a lot of people already answer. As you can see there, 74. Okay, now it's load up, so you can see more than 100 answers. These are the comments, 74 comments, and you can just answer here and then you submit. You can add your link also here, but the way I do it is you can go from here and by the time. So you can see the past hour, the past day, or the past week. So you can go and hit past week here, and then you can see there's all, and these are all recent questions. Then you can go pick up one and go answer. And let me go pick, how can I make money online legitimately, ethically, and legally. Let me go here, and you see if 3 people follow because it's recent. And you can go here, you can see there's only 11 answers. So let me go hit answer here and have a pre-built text I made already. So let me be honest and be real here. It's affiliate marketing you gotta go with, and it doesn't require any product purchase costs or whatever. The other popular options I mentioned here, but there cost involved and so much. And this is a great free training how to start it as an affiliate. So then you can put your link. So let me copy this one, and you can see here I put the search. Maybe you want to see it bigger. Okay, it's not working. Okay, so into the search, but I think you can see pretty well here. So how to make money online, you can put also with the search ways to make money online, make money, college, affiliate marketing, jobs. You can also come up with the name of people who are making a lot of money online, or into all the big guys or that you see over and over again on YouTube or Google, with crazy ads on Facebook. So like Ty Lopez, Tony Robbins, and there's a lot of names you can come up, and all there's other search you can do also, but I break down these you can go with first. And let me go copy and add this here, paste it. So let me see if it's any age. Let me go here, restriction. Okay, let me break down this better. Okay, this one, it looks better. And here can put some asterisks here, and you want to go put a link. So what you want to do is, it depends, but me, what I did and what you can do also, you want to go in ClickBank and find a pretty high converting product, and that you can promote and also make like $100 and more. So let's go to marketplace into the ClickBank, and then you want to scroll a bit into e-business and e-marketing. And what you want to do in the sort results by, you want to click and go in the very bottom where it says gravity, and these are the hot products that converting very well. So this is where a lot of people are making thousands, a lot of money online every day. So this is why it's very profitable to go with this one. And you want to go choose, me, myself, and I okay, I'm joking. So what I want to do is go with a higher price, like a high ticket sale. We talk about, like, this is how they say the high ticket sale. So not like a 54 or 37 product, a low product, but a high ticket. And let me see, this one, the super affiliate system, I know it's converting like crazy. And what I prefer is this one. It's a webinar, so they invite them to a webinar, and into the webinar they're gonna sell something, and if they buy, then you're gonna get money into your link. So this way it's very good because it's free at the beginning, so they're gonna go watch it. And then how this guy John make it, it's gonna make it convert, is you want it converted into a webinar. So the people who's watching it about the free training, they're gonna be so excited about the training that they're watching live, and there's a high conversion that the people go buy the program. So if the people go buy the program, you can make an average sale of $501.40. So you want to hit promote here, and you can see this is my account name, and you want to track. This is optional, but good to track your things. So you can, as you do Quora, you can just write Quora here and generate the hub links in the bottom. You click on it and you can see it's generated a hub links. So this is your link, you copy it, and as you can see, this is a ugly link. So what you want to do is go into bit.ly.com to short your URL. Or what I do is I go to my WordPress, to my site, then I install this plugin called Pretty Links, and then from here you can add a link and you can write what it's all about. So let's say it's a John webinar ClickBank Quora, so you know it's from Quora. And the name, the super affiliate system, maybe you can write the name John super affiliate system. Okay, then you go down, you paste your ugly link here, and then Pretty Link. With my domain, I can write something here to make a better URL. So I can put super affiliate ClickBank Quora. I can write whatever I want here, paste. Then you're done. You wanna, in the right, you click update if you want Pretty Links, and then you will see you will have a link, and you copy this link, you go back into Quora where you write your comment, your answer, and then you can paste here. Oh, and go back, copy, and then paste. And you can see Quora put an automatically online business training. So this is your, you can see here, dev super Quora, you can see. Then what you want to do is hit submit. So Quora put online business training and your link into it. So when they're gonna see there's a free training, they're gonna go click here, and you can make a pretty nice commission of $500, and you hit submit. And you can do this for a lot of like I mentioned before, a lot of search. You can search affiliate marketing and ways to make money online, and this is how you can blast your links by answering questions. And this is also good not in to make money online niche. It's also good if you for people who want weight loss, because in ClickBank they have great, you see, cooking. There's a lot of affiliate products you can promote. So this is not only for make money online, and if you do this in a daily basis, then you can make a lot of money that way. And this is how you answer questions by doing post.